Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 Pro, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all we have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on this button with a 3 bars icon, and if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device. So let's enter the recents, and here of course we've got the list of all previously open tabs. If you want to close only one of it, for example, just find it and swipe it up just like that. However, if you've got a lot of apps opened and you do not really want to spend the time of manually removing all of them one by one, simply tap on this trash bin icon right here, and as you can see we've got this info. Of course we can enter the recents to check, and sometimes, as you can see here, your device will leave a few of the apps still opened for some reason. However, no worries, you can still close them just by swiping them manually quickly. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.